In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the days function in Canva Sheets. The days function is very useful if you want to calculate the number of days between a project or deadline. This is very useful if you are doing assignments and perhaps there's a start date and end date to them, and you want to know how much time you have left. So the days function is there for you. So let's type in equals days, and we want to calculate the days between this end date and the start date column for each of these. So the first parameter that this days function accepts is the end date. So let's select this end date, and then let's separate, and then the second one is going to be the start date. So as you can see, if we hit enter, we see that there's about 416 days between these dates, and if we drag it down, we can see the rest of the dates. And if you chose the wrong order and you put the, let's say you put the start date first and then the end date, and as you can see here, we got a little logical error. It's not really, it's not different in the number, it's still 416, but if you did this, error is going to be negative because it's trying to find the difference between them, and if it gets the difference from it does this date minus this date, then it's going to be a negative value because this is a higher like logically higher date than the start date. So but if you ever want to get this, then you can just switch them, or you can also use the absolute function with it if you want to the raw actual value of days that are left between them. So you can use the equals abs for absolute, and then you can put in the start date. You can put them in any order you like, so you can just put the start date and then the end date. So we can put the days function inside of this absolute function, and then we can just pick the start date first because it doesn't matter. And let's just close everything up, and as you can see, we still get 416, and we can drag this, and yep. But yep, that's how you use the days function in Canva Sheets. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.